Good afternoon, everyone. Today we will install a new transmission plate on my TRX-4M Bronco. The part itself is from Meus. It is metal and plate anodized part. There can be some performance improvements, but mainly for me it's just visual stuff. I like metal stuff, and TRX-4M is right now mostly plastic, except for this frame itself. So I just saw this one. It was a cheap one. It was unpackaged, but it was secondhand, so I bought it, and I will just replace this one. So for me, this will be also first one to such kind of stuff. So bear with me. Maybe there can be some mistakes I make. Maybe it will take a little longer, but let's see. So inside the package there is this sticker. It is a, let's say, not like a sticker, but those are pre-cut letters. And then you get also the old bolts. This is also good. Like if you already have some strip parts or rounded up bolts, you can replace them with this one. So that's all coming in package. This and that one. It is nothing major. So let's start. So this is my, again, TRX-4M Bronco. It has light kits, both this one, and this one from Traxxas. So let's start with opening it up. So this transmission plate or the chassis, I don't know, everybody calls it different. It's plastic, but the point is this is core of the vehicle, so everything is bolted on that one. So there is many different bolts that we need to take out, like these ones, these two, these three, and also on top there is this battery tray, plus the transmission itself is bolted on that one. So there is many things to unbolt. So today I will try to use standard Traxxas equipment to do this operation, to show you that it's actually very simple to do it. So let's start. I would like to start with this battery tray. Is it this one or this one? No, it's that one. Okay. It's inside the chassis, so we need to how can I say, like here we need to open this one up so it can be free. So that reason I will also take out the side ones, and after that one I will start to take it out. The ones on the back, which is connected to suspension arms, they are long bolts, so they are taking a little time to take it out. So now we need to shift this one a little up, but like this here. Yeah, so these two recessed holes are sitting on this plate itself, so it is not sliding. So you need to first move it up, then slide it back. There is these wires on top of it, so I will not try to take these one off. It can stay aside. Just what you can do is you can take out all these cables, so it can be free like this. It will be easier for you to move around. Now I will separate the transmission itself with these 4 bolts, and there is one here. So then we can take out this one. The only thing remaining is it will be the suspension arms. But actually, while it's already here, let's maybe remove the suspension arms. Maybe it will be easier to do. So after we take out these 4 bolts, the side bolts, like all the suspension arms, yes, this should be easy to remove right now. First, I will take out the motor like this. It will slide off the shafts as well. So you will left over with this one. Let me shift everything back. And this should be able to slide like this. Then you will just move it like this, so it will slide out. It's easy. So the part itself, again, this is the original TRX one. It's plastic, and this is a metal one. Yeah, there is some weight difference. Maybe you can purchase, there's I think brass versions of these ones as well. But I don't really like colored stuff underneath the vehicle. I am trying to have something like more subtle with black parts. This is again a little heavier, and again my expectation is not the performance, just I like metal stuff. This was cheap, so I found it, I bought it, and I'm using these vehicles only at home. Like I have bigger stuff for outside anyways, so again just something visual. Now we need to put everything back again, so this is the next step that we need to do. And maybe before starting that one, I would like to show you the screws that I take out. So there is let's say 3 different screws. There is these ones, these 2. Those are the only ones with square head. Those are for the battery tray. These 2 small ones. Then you have these ones. Those are the small but with rounded heads. Those are for the transmission itself, plus the only 2 side bolts, these small ones, to assemble the frame and frame to the transmission plate. And all the suspension arms has this longer one, so it's actually a little straightforward. Mostly you will not mix any of the screws, etc. It's easy to do. So let's take out what did they send. I think they also sent the exactly same ones. Let's check if there is some length difference, etc. But as I know, there shouldn't be any. They look same. Elder maybe longer, but yeah, they are more shiny as well. Anyways, for me, I will put back with the Traxxas stuff. Let's check if they can bolt or not. Yeah, it's easy. Maybe you can put some Loctite when you are doing this one back, but I don't think it's required. Again, I only use it at home. This is for me to play it at home when I am watching TV, etc. So it's okay for me. Let's start assembling it back. So how you can check the direction is, you see these small holes, they have the counterpart on that one. So if you try to put like this, it will be wrong direction. So that reason, align these ones with this one. So I put it back, I push it down, just like this, it will slide on. And you see all the holes are aligned. Now we will start to put everything back again. So it become a little tighter than I like, so I will stop on that one, continue with the next one. So maybe there is something wrong. after you put all 4 bolts, you can tighten them. Still, like even we put something metal on the other side, you should take care to not over tighten it. Okay guys, I had to have a small break due to some camera issues, so let's continue. So what we have done is we bolted the transmission itself to the plate, but there is maybe some, we bolted transmission to the plate, but there's some problems about these screws. They are getting tight a little too much, so I would like to check them out, but before, let's maybe continue to assemble this thing so it will be easier to operate around. So I will continue with the back side. So yeah, let's slide this one. Then these two is the upper ones, so they should go here. Yes, and here. These will go to here. So what is happening is I didn't put all of the arms in correct place. So this upper arm right now doesn't want to shift this one to the other side. It's stuck here. If I can push without taking this one apart, it will be good for me. If not, I need to do it again. Okay, yes, yeah, it worked. So okay, the only ones left is this one and this one. So for these I may change the bolts, screw with the new one, because again they were getting a little too tight. I am afraid that they will strip, so this is going better. Yes, okay, this is okay. Anyways, let me change this one as well. I think there's some small burrs inside this hole, so it is not going very easy. Unscrew. Yeah, you see the end of the screw is getting shiny. So I will do one more and it should be okay. So now you bolted everything back. What I will do is I will go and check and tighten all of them one by one, because most of the ones I just left loose, so we need to tighten them. For that one I will use this Traxxas one again, because this Allen key is straight head, but this is a ball head one, so it is not so good to have high torque. It can strip more easily.
Okay.
Those are very small screws, so just hand tightening should be enough for them. Don't try to have something very tight. You will have big problems next time you try to disassemble this thing if you tighten too much. Okay, we should put these ones back. So this is that one in place. That should be that one. That should be that one. Okay, that's all. So this is the end product. As you may see, it is looking better, but again, it is just something visual. I don't expect anything from performance point of view. Maybe small improvement on the center of gravity, but as you can see, this thing is just higher than the hubs itself as a line, but anyway slower than the motor, etc. So it will improve on a very small amount, but nothing dramatic. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or anything to see, anything to show on this TRX-4M, I can do anytime. Have a nice day. Thank you.